Accordingly, GST will be finalized.
This is ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਹੈ, ਕਾਰਬਸ ਨੇ ਬਹੁ
ਜਿਮ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਕਦੋਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ।
Ashish, let's go with you, and then in a few minutes we'll begin.
Hi Karan. So
Hi.
myself Ashish from Pune. So I'm doing this since last 12-13 years. Okay. Business, weekdays, job.
That answers why so many people stay on track for a couple of days, for months on end, and they never get back. That answers when people have all the tools and the knowledge and they yet can't make a difference in their lives. So these, of course, questions you've got to ask yourself, when all self-help books speak about the same things.
How do I automate it such that I don't have to think about it on a daily basis, instead of just like,
Hey, so this... Oh, shit. I always break my charger. So this webinar is going on Mindset, and it's beautiful. I'm flowing, thoughts are flowing, and I think it's really helpful for people for sure. But we'll wait to hear from them, see what they have to say, see if they have something negative, something positive. But so far, it's helped a lot of people, helped them get on track. And once done with this webinar, I just want to relax with Papa, maybe go out for a coffee or something, but we'll see how that goes. I've just stepped out very quickly. I have to go say hi to my sister, then I'll be back. I can't seem to figure out when to work out. I have sessions and gotta have lunch. So yeah, the day would need a bit of planning, but I think I'll get back into my daily prayers. And after that, we'll see what happens. But today I want to work out for sure. It's Saturday, right? Arms day. Sunday, the gym is shut, so there'll be no option to work out. So gym ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਕਦੋਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ। We are here in Didun.
Brothers and sisters, ਆਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਇੰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਖਾਣਾ, loves it. Almost everything is carby. This is ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਹੈ, ਕਾਰਬਸ ਨੇ but we don't mind. Beauty. I live for this sort of food. They're gonna dig into it, and home food is such a blessing, yaar. Carbs, protein, we don't care, we eat.
Have you been to the gym today?
Yeah, tomorrow it is a day. Gym is open half till 11:30, so I'll go in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. मेरा gym तो बंद होता है कल, so tomorrow is a rest day. Today I'll do arms. Jasmine Gaura's gotten me coffee from Starbucks, and it's so mitha. Ugh.
And then that person also made me sign up, but I got a 10% off.
First time or every time?
No, now they'll be always like, if you have a Starbucks app, you can order on the thing. Offers will show up, whatever reward points you have. Like right now, though, I don't have anything, but you can have like stars. Another reward like 3.
Payment चाहे credit card से करो चाहे जैसे
हाँ.
भी. Ugh, this is so bad. Disgusting coffee. Chalo ji, this is month end, 1st November. Sending all bank statements to the accountant. Accordingly, GST will be finalized. So yeah, that's gonna happen.
So you can pay at store, but you can order like coffee yahin se.
क्या plan है अब?
And now I'll get like a free drink on my birthday.
अच्छा, फिर तो जाना ही जाना है.
See,
पहली हरकतें होती हैं ये सब.
2.4 stars on, so I'll get free also stars. But I don't use. Unlock free birthday beverage when you annually spend ₹1,000.
Tatu kechu beitu.
Anji, now time for the gym. Quick back the update lavange. How's the back looking? Jasmine, आजा 2 मिनट. मुझे देखनी है कैसी लग रही है. I don't know how to pose, but how's it looking?
Cool. I think you should go there.
Nice.
Better lighting.
It's fine. All good?
Yeah.
Oh, better lighting. ठीक है, वैसे sustainable body है. इससे ज़्यादा. Okay, I'll go hit the gym now. Not much, not a lot of work today, but I have 2 more sessions to take in the evening. Then I have some work to get to after that. So I'll do that. But thank you for joining. See you tomorrow once again.